5 years ago, Parti Liyani, an Indonesian domestic worker, was acquitted at the High Court after being accused of stealing over 140 items by the family of then Changi Airport Group Chairman Liew Man Leong. In this series of videos, we revisit Parti's legal battle and explore the question, was justice truly served? Parti maintained her innocence right from the start and insisted on claiming trial to fight the allegations. Little did we realize that this fight would take 4 whole years, during which time Parti was not allowed to work. Throughout this time, Parti stayed at Home's crisis shelter for female migrant workers. Home was fortunate enough to engage pro bono lawyer Anil Balchandani, and together with a team of tireless volunteers, fought to defend Parti. Here's a recap of events leading up to the trial. On 28 October 2016, Carl Liew, Mr. Liew Man Leong's son, told Parti she was fired. She was given 2 hours to pack her things into 3 jumbo boxes. After 2 hours, Parti had to leave for the airport. The boxes were left behind and the Liews agreed to send them back to Parti. The next day, Mrs. Liew, Carl and Heather, Carl's wife, decided to open the 3 boxes. They alleged that they found items in the 3 boxes that belonged to the family. Mr. Liew then filed a police report claiming that Parti had stolen from them. On 2nd December 2016, Parti returned to Singapore and was arrested upon arrival at Changi Airport. By the time the police went to the house on the 3rd of December 2016, the items had already been removed from the boxes, and some were even being used by the Liew family. It was only some 6 months later that the police actually seized the items that they claimed she stole. In August 2017, 8 months after her arrest, Parti was charged with stealing from 4 members of the Liew family. State Court Judge Olivia Low eventually convicted Parti on all 4 charges and sentenced her to a total of 26 months imprisonment. Parti filed an appeal against this conviction and sentence, and 10 months later, her appeal was heard at the High Court in November 2019. High Court Judge Chan Seng-on found that the prosecution had not proved its case beyond a reasonable doubt and acquitted Parti on all 4 charges. In particular, Judge Chan found that there was improper motive, there was a break in the chain of custody of evidence, there was reasonable doubt in relation to the accuracy of translation for 2 of the police statements due to the differences in Bahasa Melayu and Bahasa Indonesia. Judge Chan said that Carl Liew is not a credible witness. Parti's acquittal brought immense relief, but the systemic failures that led to a wrongful conviction at the state courts have not been sufficiently addressed. In coming episodes, we revisit the events post-acquittal and ask, has justice truly been served?